Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here blower motor. Fairly decent size. Don't know if that's copper, but let's hope so. That's what main thing we're going to be looking for. Because the rest of this is all metal shred. So at the moment it weighs 29.72 pounds, 5 cents a pound. That's $1.49 for this as it sits. So we're going to take this apart and see if we can get something better out of it. So stay tuned and let's get it done. As you can see, it's big and bulky. We got some wires and stuff here and there. So we'll add all that up. We got an old capacitor here. As long as it's been apart, I don't think we got to worry too much about that. Got some wire here, but as you can see, it's like mostly rubber, not a whole lot of good stuff in there, but we'll get it off, we'll add it up and see what we get. Well, the main thing we're going for is this motor. Hopefully it's copper. Now once we get this thing apart, we'll know then if it's copper or not. See what this here is. See if there's any good stuff in this piece here. That might be brass. We'll have to find out. Now to get this thing out of this here. Coming. To get a punch and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We got us a punch here. We'll get a bigger hammer. There, we ended up getting it off. I had to cut the end off to get it all the way through, but we got it apart. Now we're just down to the motor. So get the right size socket here and get this apart. Get these brackets off first. Get them out of the way. You might keep hearing bees flying around. I have a swarm going on somewhere. I have bees, it's not mine, swarming. Usually they all bundle up in one big bundle, but they're all over the place. I don't know what's going on with these. I'll put a box out and see if I can catch them. Hopefully I can catch them. If I don't catch them this late in the year, they probably won't make it. Straight. These all came out pretty nice. Hopefully, being an older style blower, this will be copper. That out. That looks to be aluminum, so I'll try to get that off. Now here comes the moment of truth. Is this copper or is that aluminum? Can't tell. Hard to see in this light. Still really can't tell. Let's do it this way. Now we can get, I believe that is copper. And that is copper. It's hard to see in this light, but it is copper, so we'll get this apart. And I'll get the aluminum part. Once I'll get this all out, and we'll come back, we'll weigh things up and see what we get out of this here old blower motor. So if I find anything interesting in there, I'll let you know. I don't know if there's anything good in that. It just, sometimes there's brass in there, but I can't really tell. So we'll come back and we'll look. Be right back. Hey there, Trapper people, we're back, and for the metal shred you see there, at 5 cents a pound, it's hard to see, 5 cents a pound, 25.10 pounds, it's $1.26. $1.26 for this here scrap shred of this here blower motor. For the insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, we got 0.41 pounds. That's 12 cents for the insulated copper wire. For the clean yellow brass, at $1.80 a pound, we have 0.02 pounds. That is 4 cents for the clean yellow brass. For the clean cast aluminum, at 35 cents a pound, we got 0.87 pounds. That is 31 cents for the clean cast aluminum. And for the winner of the day, which that is zeroed at $3 a pound, or copper. We have 1.78 pounds. That's $5.34 for that copper. That was a nice motor. Got all that copper out of it, and really didn't take that long to take apart. So hopefully you liked the video. It's a little bit different than what I've been doing. So please like, share, and subscribe, and always a thumbs up is good, and I'll keep these things a coming. I got plenty of stuff to go through, and I'll bring you along for the ride. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.